Snow season is just around the corner. It's going to be here in no time. If you're a lover of skiing and snowboarding, then this is one of the must-have accessories that you're going to need this ski season, and that is the Basecamp SD05 helmet. Now this is an absolutely cracker of a helmet. I absolutely love it. It feels so good on my head, and I tell you, when I'm going to be out in the slopes, I'm going to be wearing this. It is that good. You know your head is going to be protected in case you have a fall and land on that snow, because as much as snow looks soft, it ain't. So this helmet is a must. Now I love that the way that the helmet looks just like this, but if you're one that don't want to get your ears cold, well then it also has earmuff attachments to go on it as well, and they're so easy to put on. All you have to do is just clip them in place on the side of the helmet right there, and then you have your earmuffs on as well to keep those nice little ears of yours warm at all times. But I don't like it wearing it that way. I rather have my ears exposed. Let's go through some of the specs of this helmet. It has advanced ABS construction with EPS shock absorber inner core, which provides you optimum impact protection and all-round durability. It has a certification ASTM F2040 and CEN 1077. Now they have put so much detail into this helmet. It is an absolute cracker. You have a little hook just here that you can put your goggles on, so then if you do have a crash, your goggles aren't going to go flying and they're going to stay on your helmet at all times. How cool is that? You're not going to lose goggles, you're always going to have them. On the back of the helmet just here is where you adjust your helmet for how tight and how loose you want it on your head, just by a turn of a knob. So it will fit your head perfect every time you put it on. Just loosen off when you want to take it off, and then crank it up so it's nice and tight on your head. The helmet comes in this amazing bag. Like, I was so shocked at it. I thought, wow, that is such a nice carry bag for your helmet. It's a mesh material, so it's going to keep your helmet dry and safe at all times. It has a cord to tighten up so it's not going to fall out, and it's in there nice and safe for when you're traveling. It has a beautiful fleece lining inside, and also this wonderful fleece chin strap, so it's not going to irritate your skin if your skin gets a bit dry from when you're out boarding and that, and it's going to just feel so nice on your head. Now I don't have any hair on my head, I'm bald, and it feels absolutely amazing on my head. Now the best part about this helmet is that it has air intakes just here and outtakes, I guess you would say, just here. So it's pushing the cold air in and taking the hot air out, so you're not going to get a sweaty head wearing this helmet. It's going to keep your head nice and aerated, so you're not going to get heaps of sweat or anything like that, and it makes your riding experience so much better. So if you want to pick up a Basecamp SD05 helmet, there will be a link below where you can pick one of those up. I tell you, you're gonna need it for this ski season. It's gonna protect your head. If you're looking for a new one, then I can highly recommend this helmet for you. Everything else that I use, guys, there'll be links below as well. If you've found this video helpful at all, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. If you would like to collab, there'll be my contact details below as well. And until next time, guys, I'm Colin from OColin, out.